Line and composition. In this lecture, we'll discuss the use of lines in display and the concept of composition. Line is a major component of composition. It reigns second only to color in creating a response to the merchandise display. Line is a direction that can be vertical, horizontal, curved, or diagonal. The utilization and combination of lines determines the effectiveness of the merchandise display. A vertical line is one that goes up and down. It gives a message of strength, height, pride, majesty, and dignity. A horizontal line goes from left to right. It gives a message of easy going and restfulness. When arranged in a pattern, horizontal lines can reduce the uptight feel of a display. A curved line is one that is not straight, but rather has bends. Curved lines give a message of grace, charm, and femininity. A diagonal line is one that is straight and sloping. It is not horizontal or vertical. The diagonal line is a line of action. It is forceful, strong, and dynamic. Composition is the organization or grouping of parts to make a unified whole. In visual merchandising, it is the arrangement of lines, forms, shapes, and colors into a pleasing whole that directs the viewer's eye and relays a certain message. Well-designed displays are balanced. Balance occurs when each side is equal. For example, the human body, when split down the middle, has a left and a right side that is equal, making the body balanced. A design that is split down the middle, resulting in each side being an exact replica, is known as symmetrical or formal balance. But in reality, objects are similar in weight rather than a mirror image of each other. Asymmetrical balance is informal and typically more interesting. Individual units of a display may differ, but they achieve a dynamic balance of weight and size on each side of the center line. Dominance refers to a unit or object that attracts the eye first. Dominance can be gained from an object's color, size, or position within a composition. In most displays, the merchandise is the dominant element. Contrast is the composition of elements used to show a sharp difference between them. Proportion is the relationship of size, scale, or weight of elements and between elements and the entire composition. Rhythm should lead the viewer's eye from a dominant to a subordinate object. A gentle rhythm and flow is one that is successful. It guides the viewer with ease from one stop to another. Repetition of an element makes the element or concept more important, therefore more dominant.